Okay, hello everyone. Hi, how are you? It's Kei. How's everything going? Good to see you again. Okay, so let's start the live stream today together. So this is the 22nd of February 2023, and this is on Wednesday. So good to see you again. Thanks so much for joining, everyone. Okay, so yeah, let's screen charts together and see what's happening in the markets today. So we had some trends early today, but looks like markets are all retracing. But we can still create the scenario to the future, and that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, let me pop up the trading view. And so in terms of Forex pairs, for the Forex pairs today, starting from the Euro USD, price is going down within the Kumo, and this is still ranging now. Not a perfect setup to sell or buy. This is bearish, so definitely this is downtrending. This is downtrending. But yeah, so sorry. Excuse me, sorry. So yeah, Euro USD is gradually going down, but this downtrend is not that strong. And today is doji, and the price is in a daily Kumo, so I think the lower time frame will spike. And I also checked the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is a bit bearish, but this is still above the support, so I would prefer to wait for the support level break. Support level is here, 1.0612. I would wait for the break of the support and look for the selling opportunity. And so that's the Euro USD. And let me see, Euro AUD is ranging, so no trace so far. It's there's no direction, and the price is resisted by the Kumo, so this is not really going anywhere. So yeah, I was also watching some of the JPY pairs, like the USD-JPY has been bullish, but again, this is in the Kumo also. So yesterday, the market broke that resistance, but then today's range. So I think it's safe to wait for the Kumo breakout on the daily time frame to follow uptrend still. And also, CAD-JPY was bullish, but this week has been ranging. So the market is losing its bullish momentum now. And Swiss franc JPY has been bullish also, but today is retracing. So yeah, like this, the markets are retracing everywhere. So I can't find any good opportunities. But I can create some next scenarios. Like for example, AUD USD. It's about to break the daily support, which is 0.6812. So this might happen within today. So yeah, we can wait for the breakout, and we'll look for the selling opportunity, AUD USD. And also I was seeing some of the other pairs breakout soon, and that was, hold on, let me see. That was oh yeah, Euro Pound, right? Euro Pound broke the support yesterday, and today is the doji, but on the daily time frame, there is a long wick pointing up. So I can see that the sellers are still here today. So the market, I think this is downtrend. So if I see downtrend, for example, in a 4-hour time frame, I'm planning to sell, and I'm still waiting for the break of the support 0.8784. And this may happen very soon. The stop loss is only like 10 or 11 pips away. So I think the breakout happens at any time. Then I will look for the selling opportunity. So Euro Pound, we can continue to monitor. Yeah, so like this, we have some potential new trends, but I still don't see the perfect or the best setup to trade for today. So that's like my overview of these analysis in the markets in Forex. So, alright, let me say hi to everyone. Let me see. Basam, thanks for joining. Good to see you. A Master of, good to see you. A Michael, good to see you too. Alright, thank you very much for your comment. Yeah, thank you so much. Yep. We have to be patient, that's right. We just have to be patient until we see the next good setup. Okay, and James, good to see you. Rajesh, TSM, also good to see you too. Alright, Survive, good to see you. And Christopher, thanks for joining too, good to see you. Kenley and Chia, good to see you too. Alright, W4 and John, good to see you. Ovidio and Alexander, thanks for joining. And Win and Kush. Ashley, good to see you. Alright. Oh, you bought EuroJPY. Okay, it's good. Right, I don't wear glasses today because it's been a while since I don't use glasses and spend the day. But today I feel something different, so I'm wearing the contact lenses. Yeah, hello Homan, good to see you. So yeah, EuroJPY was bullish, but today is retracing. So yeah, you may have to wait for the break of yesterday's resistance. And let me check the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour broke the Kijun Sen, so there is no more uptrend. And the Chikou span is touching, so the market may retrace. Okay, Olu, thanks for joining. Good to see you too. Alright, Kush says, selling Swiss franc JPY following 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me see. Swiss franc JPY. Okay, Swiss franc JPY daily time frame is above the Kumo. So in the long term, this is bullish. And 4 hour time frame broke the Kijun Sen, Chikou span touching. So 4 hour is now ranging. And you're following 1 hour downtrend. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour downtrend. This one, right. It broke the Kumo and it broke the supports and double top and a neckline breakout. Right, so this is downtrend. Yeah, the market may retrace to the previous support, which is 145.29. But in long term, after the Kumo breakout, this is bearish. Yeah, I think you picked a good pair to trade, to sell Swiss franc JPY. This is downtrend. Yeah, this is downtrend. It's nice. Okay. Let me see. TikTok, good to see you. Crypto, thanks for joining. Robert, good to see you. Alright. Sheldon, Robert, also good to see you too. Okay. The markets have not been favorable for a long time. That's right. The markets have been really tricky and spiky. So we just have to keep trading until we see some next big trends. But there will be a next big trends, and until it happens, we just have to keep planting the seeds. Okay, Alexander says, if the price is within the Kumo on the daily time frame, but it's downtrending in 4 hour and the Kumo and the lines have good shape, do you consider it as an option? Yes. You can still follow the 4 hour trend. Even if the daily is still in the Kumo, it's okay. It's just that the lower time frames may be spiky, so it may get stopped out. But if you see 4-hour trend, then you can follow that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, Thin, good to see you. Alright. Oh, I look 10 years younger with no glasses. Okay. Yeah, well actually it's been like 1 year since I wear contact lenses last time. So yeah, I feel something different. Yeah. Okay, Muhammad, good to see you. Kizito, thanks for joining. Good to see you too. Any view on M5 gold? Okay, M5 gold. Let me check gold from higher to the lower time frames. So let's see. Daily time frame is in the Kumo, so that means the lower time frames may be spiky. So I still wait for the breakout of the support, 1819.25. So as I mentioned last time, I am a day 2 swing trader, so I wait for the better setup to trade. But then, let me see, 4-hour is now ranging. Chikou span touching, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen above Kijun Sen, so this is ranging in the 4-hour. So no direction in the 4-hour. And 1-hour also has no direction. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span is really close. This is ranging market. So if you take M5 to trade, and that will be for the scalping. But you can scalp, you may be able to scalp based on the price action. So here's M5. M5 is now showing head and the shoulders. And the neckline is over here, 1835.24. And we have outside bar. This is called outside. And we have to wait for the outside bar breakout bearish. So if the price closes below the outside, then most likely it breaks the neckline of head and the shoulders on M5 and maybe bearish. So you can wait for the break of the outside or the break of the neckline to sell. But then the target is, since this is range, the market retraces back anytime. So if the market breaks the neckline, then I think the exit timing will be close to 1832.18, the previous support based on M5. Well, technically I don't trade like in this condition, but this will be the scenario I will create if you ask me to trade on this gold. So yeah, so again, I'm not paying attention to higher time frames. I'm not using Ichimoku. This view is only purely based on the price actions. So that's how I would think about in this condition. Yeah, but yeah, and then if the market breaks the support 1832.18, then it could go down to the next support, which is down here, all the way back since 21st February, which is yesterday. The next target is next target is 1830.28. But yeah, this is still ranging, so we don't know yet until the neckline breaks. This is something about the price action is that the unless you see the neckline break, it won't be head and the shoulders yet. I mean, head and the shoulders appears many times like this, but unless you see the neckline break, it doesn't mean that the market is trending. Because from here, it may be a bullish wave. In that case, the head and the shoulders will be invalidated, and then you will see the N wave bullish like this way. Yeah, so That's how I would think about. So yeah, simply wait for the outside bar break or the neckline break and sell is my scenario for gold, but very in the short term. Yeah, let's see. Okay, Leo says, you're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when you're in live stream. You teach Ichimoku to follow trends. We all make profit together. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, thank you very much for the comment. Yeah, I try to share what I know, how I see markets as much as possible. So hopefully you continue to learn and yes, be success in the long run. Yeah, because all I can do is to share my knowledge, my analysis on the markets. But if you learn something new from today's live stream, then that will be my pleasure. So next here is Bitcoin. I know some of you are trading cryptos also. So just for your information, this is BTCUSD. And the price is retracing for the last 2 days, and it's retracing back to the previous resistances, 23,862.31. So it may be supported and goes up, but if it breaks, then goes down to Kijun-sen, or it may go down to Kumo, and we never know. So I would recommend you to wait for today's daily candlestick close. Today's daily candlestick close, if it closes below the resistances, then for sure you don't trade. But if it closes above the resistances, then and tomorrow may be bullish and it may still break that resistance. So that's what I would pay attention for the next 1 or 2 days. So BTCUSD, if you look at the whole history, the price dropped all the way down last June, and up until Monday, August last year, it went up, and then dropped all the way down to November last year, and then ever since it has been bullish. There was a pushback in February 12th, but then now it's bullish, broke the resistance and bullish. So yeah, I would say overall it's bullish. In the long term, this is uptrend. But we just don't know when exactly the market breaks a resistance. So we have to closely monitor the chart and look for the next opportunity on this market, I think. Okay, so let's see. Let me continue to check some more comments today. Okay, Trey says, hi Kei, when Ichimoku detects a trend, it seems to be late and it's easy to reverse. How can I detect a trend earlier? You can't detect the trend earlier by Ichimoku. Well, if I rephrase it, this is about the probability. You can capture the trend earlier by Ichimoku, but the chance for the reverse becomes higher. For example, like in this situation, this is gold XAUUSD on a daily time frame. And the earliest timing you can capture the downtrend is when Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross happens. This is the first sign that the market trends. So around this candlestick, maybe the doji or the next one was where Tenkan Kijun-sen dead cross happened. And then Chikou span break happened, I think, a bit before the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen dead cross in this market. And Chikou span breakout is also another confirmation for the downtrend, for the trend reverse. And Chikou span break happened around here, I think. So that means around these 3 candles were the trend reverse by Ichimoku. Because until the market reaches here, we will never know. It may have gone up this way too, or it may have been supported on this level and goes up. But now we saw Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen did close Chikou-span breakout, so the market is now turning bearish. This is how you can identify the reverse. And then the Kumo breakout is the last confirmation for the downtrend, for the new downtrend. So that's how you can detect the trend a bit earlier timing in this case. Okay, Olu says, hello sir, is it possible that the Forex major pairs follow a similar time cycle pattern? Also, while the pattern is respected, it automatically gets repeated and add up to the most recent trend. Yeah, it's possible. I mean, Forex pairs, for example, like let's say if you're watching Euro USD and Euro AUD, then you may be finding some similar patterns on these 2 markets because Euro is common and the time cycles may be caused by the Euro pair, Euro currency. So yes, you may see sometimes time cycles among different Forex pairs in that sense. And as long as the time cycle continues, you can keep following that cycle. But once the cycle is broken, then you have to create the new cycles. You have to look for a new time cycles analysis. Okay, time cycle is really profound, yes. And exactly when the day the market reverses or the trend accelerates, these timings are called henkabi in Japanese. Like henka means change. It's Henka. And BI. Yeah, so henka means change, and the B means day in Japanese. So changing date or day of change is when the market reverses, or sometimes time cycles shows the trend acceleration, trend continuation. So these could be the henkabis too, like this candlestick, or when it breaks the resistance, or maybe sometimes here too. These timings also may be the henkabi. Or here too, when the market breaks the support, these also might be the henkabi. So yeah, that's how you can identify. Basically, the henkabis are captured by the highs and lows, but the patterns may repeat. So this is like detecting, looking for the time cycles on any markets, and do time cycles on the daily time frame, not the lower time frames. I have tested the time cycles in the 4-hour and 1-hour, but these are a bit too spiky. And as original teaching says, you have to use time cycles on the daily or weekly or even monthly time frames. That's my recommendation. Okay, let me continue to check some more comments. Okay, okay, next, Gan says, hello master, good evening from Nepal. Could you please explain the relationship between the Kumo cloud death cross and candle touch Kumo cloud? Kumo cloud death cross means like Kumo twist, you mean? And candle touch, candlestick touch, Kumo cloud. So that means like let me see. Let me look for a Kumo twist example. Let's say I'm just looking for a good, oh maybe here, Euro CAD, the Kumo twist happened 4 days ago. Kumo twist happened. So yeah, so Kumo twist means that this is the trend reverse in the long term. Basically, Kumo shows the long-term market momentum. So when Kumo twist, and Kumo is composed of Senko span A and B. Senko span A is the upper part of the Kumo when it's bullish, and Senko span B is the lower part of the Kumo. And when it becomes a bearish Kumo, Senko span A comes above, Senko span A becomes below lower part of the Kumo, and Senko span B is above upper part of the Kumo. And this is where dead cross happens between Senko span A and B. So yeah, so Kumo twist means it's the reverse in the long term. And the Kumo breakout also, Kumo breakout means that the price, the market is also bearish, but price to Senko span B shows the market equilibrium, so to speak, and the Kumo twist itself shows the market momentum change. So equilibrium collapse means the sellers becomes dominant when the market breaks Kumo, especially Senko span B break, then sellers become dominant in the long term. And before the price breaks Kumo in the long term, usually there was a Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross, and the price becomes below Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen and breaks Kumo. And that means in the long to mid to short term, the sellers become dominant. That's basically what the Kumo breakout means in Ichimoku. But in terms of the Kumo twist, this means that the it changed its momentum from bullish to bearish in the long term. So that's the precise difference between the Kumo breakout and the Kumo twist. And to be trustable Kumo breakout, Kumo breakout happens before the Kumo twist, and this is the right order. If you see Kumo twist before the Kumo break happens like this, then the market may range. Of course, we may break the Kumo also, but this is not really stable downtrend because the order is now wrong. So yeah, ideally speaking, you have to see the Kumo breakout and then the Kumo twist after that. That's the right order. I hope that makes sense. Okay, AUDJPY in the 4 hour looks as it broke the neckline but price inside of the Kumo. Okay, AUDJPY is 4 hour is right. This is, yeah, it broke the neckline and this is going down. That's right. And then the price is now on the previous support. Price is on the previous support, and there was also the resistance. So around this area, I can see some zone like a support zone. So to be safer, you want to wait for the break of that zone or the break of the Kumo and look for the setting edge. Okay, so looks like we have some new trends on the JPY pairs. Next, let me check the Pound JPY. Pound JPY is retracing but no trend. Currently, if you precisely look at the angles of the Senko span BA, and Kijun Sen, they are all flat. So that means this is in the middle of the retracement. It may retrace to the Tenkan Sen, and once it breaks the Tenkan Sen, then I think it goes down to Kijun Sen. So this is bearish. This is downtrend in the short term. Okay, alright, Hiel, you're welcome. Okay, Rajesh, Nifty chart. I think Nifty is continuously ranging, but let me see. Okay, here is daily chart. Yeah, Nifty is still ranging because the price is below Kijun Sen, but then the Kumo itself is still flat. And Chikou span below candles now, but this is still range, just ups and downs in the daily time frame. So again, we have to wait for the break towards either direction. 18268.15 and look for the buying edge, or wait for the break of the support 17357.05. Until either break happens, I think the market goes range, just ups and downs in the long term. Okay, Sandy says NZD-JPY. Alright, NZD-JPY, let me see. NZD-JPY, this is completely ranging. Yeah, daily shows range, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span touching, so no trends and no trace. I don't recommend you to be in the trade in this condition. And this is called P wave in Ichimoku, which is the same as a triangle, the triangle range. This is called P wave in Ichimoku, so you have to wait for the P wave break towards either direction. Yeah, however, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so even if the market breaks the P wave, that may be a fake out, and the market may be within, maybe back within the P wave. It happens also. So if it goes up, I think it's safer to wait for the Kumo breakout or the resistance breakout to buy. And if it breaks the P wave bearish, then you may want to wait for the support level breakout and sell. Yeah, just watch out on the fake breakout on the P wave in this kind of condition, because again, Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat. You know, whenever you see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, that means the power between the buyers and sellers are 50-50. So that's why it spikes. If buyers dominant, then the market trends bullish. And if sellers dominant, the market continues to be bearish. But when they're 50-50, then it ranges like this. That's a very simple approach. It's a very simple understanding of the market. Okay, Alexander, thank you very much for your comment. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure to share my analysis and views about the markets on my YouTube. Okay, Kizito, US oil and silver. Alright, let me check. US oil, WTI, crude oil, is still ranging, but this is now turning bearish. Yeah, because it's breaking the inside bar. I can see there was an inside on the candlesticks of the 17th of February. And the price is now became below Kumo, and if it breaks the support of that inside, which is 75.37, and then I think it goes down to the next swing support, 72.36. So this is bearish for me. This is downtrend bearish for me. Yeah, but the question is, we never know how long, how many hours, how many days it takes for the market to reach the swing support. So it looks like the market is really slow, so it may take time. It may take 1 week or even 2 weeks until the market reaches to the support. So that will be more of the swing trade on this one. Okay, let me continue to check the comments until I finish live in about 10 minutes from now. So Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, I haven't checked that yet today, but let me see. Okay, Dow Jones is bearish, was bearish yesterday, and today is doji. So no trends yet, no trend. But this is a bit bearish now. It broke the Kumo too. So Dow Jones is now bearish. It's ranging to bearish downtrend. Okay. Okay, TM says, hello sir, do you have the video that teaches about Ichimoku? I'm tired of losing my money. Yes, I do. I have many Ichimoku videos in the archive. So simply type Ichimoku and Forexkei, and you must be able to find so many videos of mine. Okay, Olu, yeah, you're welcome. Thank you very much for the comment, as always. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, please don't repeat your questions or comments. If you just type once, it's okay. All right. Crypto says, do you plan live scalping session in the near future? No, I don't. I don't like to scalp because I used to scalp a lot and I had no life. I mean, I didn't have enough time to for myself, so I don't want to scalp anymore. Okay, Sei says, good evening, Kisan. In your opinion, what reliable signal of strong trend based on the price action? That would be head and shoulders is the strong signal of the trend. Okay, yeah, today I have no glasses. Right, I have no glasses. It's been like 1 year since I didn't wear the glasses last time. Yeah, just today, just to feel different, I wear contact lenses now. Yeah. All right, Rajesh, you're welcome. Jitendra, good to see you. Okay, please look at UK 100. Okay, very interesting S wave on a daily chart. Okay, FTSE 100, right? Right, this is still right uptrend above the Kijun Sen. The price above the Kijun Sen, it broke the Tenkan Sen, but this is uptrend. Yeah, the previous resistance is becoming the support now. So the market may be supported and goes up this way. So this one is bullish still. It's bullish. Okay. So yeah, I did the Nifty chart. It's retracing back now. But let me see. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also going down. So this is now bearish. This is something I mentioned yesterday on the live analysis, was that the market has been downtrend by this descending trend line, and the force touch did not reach to the trend line, but instead it was resisted by the previous resistance level, resistance and the support, and it's going down bearish. So this is much more stronger downtrend than before, because it didn't touch the trend line. So yeah, this is bearish and it may break the support. At this rate, it may break the support 39,439.70. So this is for me downtrend. Yeah, this is bearish. It's bearish. And also we can create the new downtrend like this. And the sellers are now becoming very much dominant in the market. Yeah, so that's Bank Nifty. Okay, Yan says, dear master, my gratitude to you for all you have done, which I will never forget. I truly appreciate you and your help. Thank you very much for the knowledge. I enjoyed very many of your life. Oh, you're welcome very much. Thank you. Thank you so much for a comment too. Yes, it's been my pleasure to be able to share my analysis and to share my Ichimoku knowledge through YouTube to the world, because I never expected my channel will grow that much, this much. So I will appreciate also all your supports, all your participations every day. Otherwise, I won't be do this, on my YouTube. So I also say thank you very much. Okay, Tree, you're welcome. Analysis on coffee. Okay, coffee. Let me see, I have or not. Commodity. Yeah, I do. Yes. Okay, coffee price is going up now. This is a daily time frame. After the Y wave, now we see a new N wave, bullish. So I think, looks like I did analysis long ago, but I put up arrow up, so this is bullish now. And yeah, I draw that resistance level because I think this level was the previous support. So, and the price is getting close to the target, 193.58. So it may retrace, but this is bullish. It may retrace, but then it may be supported by the Tenkan-sen and goes up, or it may be supported by the trend line, and goes up also. So yeah, overall, this is still bullish. I think I will keep the up arrow above like this. It's bullish still. Okay, Practice says, which algo trading software would you recommend? Oh, I never trade algo trade, so I'm not sure. I only manually trace. Okay, so yeah, but in terms of the forex pairs, looks like the markets are retracing. So most likely I won't trade today, and probably come back tomorrow and see if we have some new trends. We'll see. Okay, so thank you very much everyone for joining today's live stream. And yeah, in about 15 minutes there will be an Ichimoku membership live. So yeah, I will see you all for the Ichimoku members. And for those who are joining public live, I will see you on the next one. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. Mata ne. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry, by the way, in terms of the GTS in April, there are only 2 seats available, so please let me know if you're interested by email. Alright, thank you very much. Stay gold.